Welcome back to North Carolina Mountain Adventures. Wanted to show what else I picked up while I was in Texas. It's my 2011 Camaro Super Sport. Ooh, ain't she just pretty? Here, let's give it a sound test. Let's go for a ride. Still need to get her vacuumed out, but you can see she's a clean. Now, if you notice on the dash right in here, there's nothing on, just my cruise control indicator. This little button right here we call the fun button. So I'm gonna press it one time. Now you notice right there, I've turned off traction control. Hit it a second time, turns it back on. Now you see the light has changed from traction control. What that is StabiliTrak. Now I'm gonna turn that back off. Now if I press that button and hold for 8 seconds, watch what happens. It's the only way to do this. Now you see that StabiliTrak as well as traction control is off. That's the fun button. As well, if you notice right there, it says park. When I pull it back to M, it goes to sport mode. Then I hit the button one time. Now I'm in manual 1. Don't ever put that on and put it in manual mode. This car will absolutely get away from you. So I will be demonstrating today with my fun button turned on. Adjusted here on the dash. Hopefully y'all can see that. Play a little bit with the fun button turned all the way up. I got to make sure to get away from my house because my neighbors probably won't appreciate it too very much. Tell you what, you get these big old 20-inch tires going, she can be a little loud. Place to do it here. Right here is as good as time as ever. Fun button. Turn the fun button off. I hope y'all enjoy the ride through the mountains. I'm headed into town to Wally World. Just a short little drive, but you get to see a little bit of the area, and You know, we got fall coming on, which is one of our prettiest times of year. I'll be doing a video of that soon with my drone up on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Should make a pretty good video, as well as I'm planning to get out to the range in the morning to get another shooting video up. Okay, we're done playing. Well, till next time, hope y'all enjoyed the short drive and be looking for my next upcoming video out at the range. Want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and if you aren't subscribed, I ask that you would hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell. That way you get notifications whenever I do upload a video. I'm going to try to get to where I'm putting one video out every weekend, so one video a week, and let's see where the adventure takes us. Appreciate y'all watching. Till next time, be safe out there.